Good morning. My name is Mwafake Hayadadu, and this is the News Chronicles. So earlier on, in a moment of pride for our dear country, Nigeria, a 17-year-old Nafisa Abdullahi Aminu, native of Yobe State, was crowned the world best in English language skills at the 2025 Teen Eagle Global Finals held in London. Um, Miss Nafisa was representing the Nigerian Tulip International College, popularly known as NTIC Yobe. She outshone over 20,000 students from around the world, from 65 countries precisely, 69, sorry, countries from around the world, including English native speaking countries from around the world to clinch the award. Among the awards she won in total, NTIC clinched 14 medals, including 7 golds, 4 silvers, and 3 bronze, placing first in the Teen Eagles 2 and Teen Eagle and second in Teen Eagle 1. In all of this, while congratulating her, Professor Isa Ali Pantami, former Minister of the Federal Government, urged the federal government to honor her with the $100,000 prize, a house, and the national honor of OON as conferred upon the Super Falcons and also the D Tigress of Nigeria on their feet. Also, he also urged the federal government to also support her teachers who mentored her through the process. This is a huge call for recognition to the educational sector. We have had people doing great things in the academic sector all over the world. Great students achieving great feats all over the world, and we need to start recognizing them fully. This definitely will attract a lot of mixed reactions, looking at the fact that they are not coming from the same stage. One is from the athletics and the other is from the academics. But which part of it will we pay more attention to? If you like more videos like this coming your way, please like, share, and subscribe, and you'll see a lot more of our videos coming your way. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.